Okay, so I'm about to finish this setup, and then yeah, I'm about to redeem my trial of free instant ink for 9 months. When I first went with this computer, it was 3 months, and then it went to 6 months, and now it's 9 months. So 3 months, 9 months of free instant ink. I'm about to be printing because I print a lot anyway. So yeah, I think that's just what I'm about to do, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm making a product. Yeah, be easy. Alright, y'all. No mind this angle in the camera view, but I just got my soap base in the mail, and I got I ordered some, what the heck, Brambleberry was having a sale. Y'all know I love Brambleberry. I told y'all that last time. I love Brambleberry and Wholesale Supplies Plus, but with Wholesale Supplies Plus, please video every box you open because sometimes stuff be missing. I never had that problem with Brambleberry. I think one time one of my fragrances was half full. I ordered a 4 ounce and it was only 2 ounces in there, so I told them that, and then they sent me, you know, another one. I thought they was gonna ask me to send that one back, and I didn't. But I also did include pictures and stuff. But yeah, so I know I ordered, I think, a fragrance. I ordered some colorants, and then the deal they had was if you spend so much, you get a free fragrance, free fragrance. And so I just realized Brambleberry fragrances, they come 3.5 ounce and 4 ounce. And I was like, I just got the fragrance that was 4 ounces because that'll mess me up because I use an ounce at a time. Okay, this is my colorants. What is this? I got ultramarine blue. I don't think this is not a good angle because this is not a good lighting. I'm sorry, y'all. And I got Caribbean blue. So that's really like the Caribbean blue. I'm using a lot of other stuff, but both these colors I'll be using in my herbal water soap and in the body butter. So that's why. Wait, how many fragrances is this? This one. Oh, this one is right. This one. Oh. Okay. And the fragrance I chose is eucalyptus and cotton. I never like. The other one they had was, I think, champagne, or was it it was cashmere or champagne, and it had another one. I think it was like a warm scent or a musky scent, like woodsy. Let me smell this. I love eucalyptus and I love cotton. Like, I love linen scents. So hopefully I love this. Oh, baby, this smells good, but oh, it smells good. It low-key smell like a man, but but like a good smelling man, not like a strong cologne man, like a. But you know what? It also smells like something my auntie will put on her hands. Like, it's like a good clean scent. Like, this would be good as a lotion. But I'm gonna make it into a soap because, oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, I like this. It's almost like aromatherapy. So I'm gonna start buying this. I don't know what I'm gonna make this into. Probably a unisex bar because I do have a lot of unisex bars. I don't have a lot of men's stuff, yeah. But yeah, I don't know. What time is it? I don't know. I need to make something today. I don't know if I'm gonna make some soap or I just threw that back in here. Where is my? I don't know. Maybe it's in my other box. My receipt. But yeah, I need to make some soap. And I need to make some body butter. I need to make some scrub. Because my friend ordered like a set of stuff. She wants some lip glosses. Whatever they are. I don't know where they at. They somewhere. I made some already. She wants some lip glosses. She wants 2 enchanted scrubs. She wants 2 and 2 of my other good stuff, which in the big jars. So I'm gonna make that. And my auntie ordered 6 bars of soap, so I need to make her a soap. So I did the little piping thing. You know how people on businesses like on Instagram, YouTube, they pipe their shea butter. And yeah, it's like nice and it's pretty, but I think I prefer my jar to look full. Personally, I just like the full look. Cause see, like, I can't. Let me see. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry, y'all. Cause see, like, this is a new scent. I haven't dropped it yet. I think I'm gonna call it like Stay Fair, Forest Grounds, something like that. It's like a warm Cinnabon scent, like cinnamon roll, like that's kind of the smell. But see, like, it's like that, and I don't know, like the swirls aren't really that good in this one. Like, y'all, I'm just starting, but see, like the swirls, and then like, but this is how I usually do it. I just hand put each color in there and I mix it up myself. Like, that's how I do it. I think I'm going to continue to do it like this because I just love the way a full jar looks. And they feel like they weigh the same. I probably could weigh and it will be the same, but aesthetic wise, I like the full looking jar. But yeah, that's about it. I might give these 3 away when I drop this scent, like do a giveaway and get these 3 away when I drop a scent, or if I do a pop-up shop. And yeah, that's it for right now.